Hello, welcome. Today I am sharing my May design team project for Calico Collage. I did something a little different than a journal this month. I've kind of been digging all these videos on folios and ways to keep ephemera and happy mail and those kind of things. So I made a little folio that has lots of ephemera in it with the idea that I could mail this to a happy mail friend. Kind of fun. So I made this out of a craft color file folder, and I have a Tim Holtz folio, and I kind of took the measurements and kind of copied some of that as my jumping off point, and then I kind of went from there. So I also used some Distress Oxide spray to give the colors on the folio, so it wasn't just craft, and I thought that turned out really well. And then on the front as my closure, I used some lace and a pin and then a wing, because this kit is all about hummingbirds. It's super adorable. And I will have the link to the shop where you can get this kit. So on the front, since it's all about hummingbirds, one of the cut aparts says hummingbird on it, and then again, since this is basically for ephemera, I put little tucks and spots where pieces of ephemera could go. And it says right here, "You were born with wings. Why prefer to crawl through life?" And that's, the quote is from Rumi, I'm not sure. And so here I made another little tuck spot. This is one of her tuck spots, and I just folded it and then layered in some ephemera. And this is from the journal pages. Though she be little, though she but, oh my goodness, though she be but little, she is fierce, small but mighty. Super cute. So then this is a piece of ephemera. This is another tuck spot that you could use in a journal. More ephemera. And I put in a coffee dyed index card for some journaling. And then this little envelope could be added to a journal page as well. So the idea would be that you could have this and tuck it in a journal, or have it next to the journal, and then just pull pieces while you're working in your journal. So here I have two flaps that open like this, and I took some of the journal pages and made them little tuck spots where I've put all sorts of ephemera from the kit. So now these are all cut aparts that she's included in this journal kit. Lots of fun things to work with. And then those just kind of tuck right back in there. Maybe. There we go. And then in this one I have journaling cards. Isn't that beautiful? All sorts of fun stuff. And then when we open this part, right here I glued on some lace, and in here I have a glassine bag that is coffee dyed, and I just added some washi and then one of the cut aparts, and I have even more cut aparts from the kit. So there's some tickets, another hummingbird, and then some page flags. So fun. Love the colors. Love. And then again, this little ephemera bag, or this glassine bag, could then be used on a journal page as well. And that just kind of slides in right there. This I just embellished just with this simple, this is actually a Tattered Angels piece, and I just added that there. And then here I made a pocket from a book page and used some glimmer mist on the front and did some collaging, and I just have some extra goodies that kind of go with the kit. And those are tucked in. And then back here are her really large tags. She does these really cool large tags, and those are back there, waiting to be embellished even more. They're simply just cut out. And then close that, and then on the back I have another pocket, and then back here I added some more index cards that can be embellished, written on for journaling, etc. And there it is. Kind of a fun project, kind of different. Would be really fun to send in Happy Mail. I think this would be really cute and pretty inexpensive to send because it's not that thick, it's not that heavy. Pretty fun. If you would like me to show you kind of how I made this, I could do a tutorial if you would like. I also think it would be fun to swap with someone, so if you're interested in receiving this and you wanted to swap some form of Happy Mail with me, you could put that comment down below as well. If there's several people, then I'll figure out a way. Either in the summer I could make different things and send them to different people, or I could do a random thing if there's a lot of interest. Alright, well that's all for now. Again, check the links below to check out Calico Collage's Hummingbird kit, and have a wonderful day. Bye-bye.